Are you ready to dive into the future of AI technology? Lenovo is set to revolutionize the landscape with its latest venture in India. Lenovo, a leader in innovation, has announced plans to manufacture AI servers in Puducherry and open a cutting-edge R&D facility in Bengaluru. This move marks a significant leap for both the company and the Indian tech ecosystem. The demand for AI infrastructure is skyrocketing, with businesses around the world seeking powerful solutions to handle compute-heavy tasks. However, many regions still rely heavily on imports, which can stifle local innovation and economic growth. In India, the challenge is even more pressing, as the government aims to position the country as a global hub for technology. Without local manufacturing and research capabilities, India risks falling behind in the AI race. Lenovo's new initiative aims to address this challenge head-on. The Puducherry plant is set to produce 50,000 AI rack servers and 2,400 GPU servers tailored for advanced AI applications. Meanwhile, the Bengaluru R&D facility will focus on developing new server technologies, ensuring that products are not only made in India but also innovatively designed here. This dual approach enhances local talent development and supports the growth of a robust technology ecosystem, aligning perfectly with the Indian government's AI for all vision. The key moment comes with Lenovo's commitment to export over 60% of its server production, making India a central player in the Asia-Pacific tech market. This strategic move not only positions Lenovo for success but also helps elevate India's status as a competitive force in the global tech landscape. With both local production and advanced R&D, Lenovo is poised to reshape the future of AI technology. In summary, Lenovo's investment in AI server production and R&D in India represents a major step towards harnessing local talent and addressing the growing demand for AI infrastructure, ensuring a bright future for the Indian tech industry. If you're excited about the future of AI and technology, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insights and updates. Thank you for being part of our community.